YouTubers! Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Canadian reverse mortgage debt makes a huge jump. Balance tops $3.7 billion. Well, what does this tell you, people? It tells you a lot. If people are tapping into their lines of credit or home equity, HELOCs, whatever you want to call them, whatever you guys call them and whatever you call. To me, they're a second mortgage or a third mortgage. What's happening? People jumping in and keeping the Ponzi scheme going. And this is basically looking good for the GDP numbers for the country, but realistically, it's not looking good at all in a hearsay, she say, I said, you said type of environment right now, because right now, we are playing the biggest blame game in the human history. Who's to blame for this economic downturn, economic collapse? Is it the banks? Is it the foreign investing? Is it the laundered foreign investing money? Is it the government meddling with first-time home buyers' loans and all this Mickey Mousing? That's the question we need to ask people. Canadian real estate owners in their not-so-golden years are now borrowing on a borrowing spree. Office of Superintendent Financial Institutions, OSFI. Figures show reverse mortgage credit reached new record high in May. The annual pace of growth showed deceleration, but it's still a huge month for growth. So, reverse mortgages. Reverse mortgages are a way for cash poor, house rich boomers to tap into their equity. Again, house rich on paper. Sure, tap it out. Sure, pay the interest back. Sure, you're screwed. Canadians owe over $3.71 billion in reverse mortgage debt. The balance of reverse mortgage debt reached a new record high. Filings show reverse mortgage debt reached $3.72 billion in May, up 1.58% from last year. This represents 27.63% increase compared to the same time last year. Same month last year. Well, same time last year. You could say the same thing. There's some deceleration on growth year-over-year basis. However, reverse mortgages are still one of the fastest growing segments of debt. So reverse mortgages is the number one segment of debt. So the average Joe Donuts is going to be slaughtered in this next economic downturn that we are headed right now, because it's going to look pretty bad on the home front. You know, you get a couple of squalls here and there. You know, you get these storms that come on, financial storms. They come and go. They're squalls. They come on fast. They leave you fast. But not this one we're headed towards, this perfect storm. Equity, borrowing, derivatives, silver, gold markets, oil, everything you could ever imagine in the markets. You're looking at a perfect storm. Reverse mortgage debt makes second biggest jump in 7 years. Deceleration, Shermrotation, reverse mortgage debt is still growing very, very quickly. In May, the monthly increase works over to $57.92 million. Wow, in a single month. That is 1.5% supply gain for the month. It's third largest increase of the month in the past 7 years. 12-month change is the second largest for May over a period as well. Canadian reverse mortgage change. Annual percentage change of reverse mortgage held by regulated institutions. There it is right here. Wow. Holy crap. So it looks like the banks are, financial institutions are backing off from lending second mortgages out anymore. The new record for reverse mortgage debt isn't surprising, but the growth rate is huge. High interest rates with lack of payments means that the balance is expected to grow. That's before you factor in high cost of living and aging demographics of Canada. Even so, that the rate balance would double of growth every 3 years. Huge growth may be a bit of an understatement. It's enormous. It's crazy. What is happening? Do you guys have a HELOC? Are you tapped into your HELOC? Did you tap into your wealth? Did you tap into that equity and thinking that your house was going to keep going up forever? It's happening in Australia, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, Western United States. What can I say, guys? I've been warning about this for so long, and now it's keeping up with the Joneses to show, hey, we're doing good. Hey, we're doing good. I don't know how some of these people could sleep at night incurring this much debt. I don't know how some of these people could... Well, you know what? It is what it is, guys, and Who are we going to blame? The blame game's been going on for a year or 2 years now, ever since the some sort of correction in the markets, but we're nowhere near the bottom. Comment below, let me know. Thanks for watching.